off into this hip-hop biz. It's Falcon burns here to let you know what time it is. With no mistake, I explode on the tape. Serve up a mixture of verbal spaghetti on the plate. Before it blow up, we master it and promote it. Before I grow old, I want the world to expose it like it is. No cover-up, no retouch. Frozen in an ice cube for too long, I reach up and touch the sky. I wonder why my brain goes into it. So deep, it's kind of threatening to the infinite. Indisputable, undiluted, it's mutual. The agreement that I've got ain't nothing new to you. Go metal verbalist with a twist of shock. And by the end of my career, I hope to have this shit locked down. Pull up the ground till I reach the center. Expose myself to the core, burning as I enter. Shit breakfast TV program, drinking Fiji milkshake as I get you open like Black Moon. We don't swallow shit. Commercial MCs they straight whack, we the opposite. Manipulate the finer points of how I came to be. I do it now when our reign is for eternity. My pedigree I spin 360 degrees. You on your knees yelling FB. Produce another underground banger. Not a street slanger, but I address the street in the correct manner. For better or worse, I've seen a lot of people get hurt. I've also seen a lot of people work for what they got. You better not decide to jack it in. My father told me this before, Falcon, you're born to win. Took it lightly for a while, but now I understand the gift of God, and I've got my own style. Phrases from my intellect. Your style's whack, it's annoying like an insect. Prohibitive for making moves after I crush your mic. With one grip I turn it to a home for dust mites. Malicious tongue, highly strung, not me. I keep it calm when I approach, that's my specialty. I'm on now, the track's what I aim to hit. And your track sucks because you're whack, get over it. Collision head on with me will leave you wondering. It's on my brain, but now the rain keeps it thundering. I keep functioning when I hit the heights. I keep flowing all night, just give me the mic. When I explode, I use my mouth to spit. Cause everything I spit is a new lyric. The project's hit, continuing to explode to bits. Falcon burns is back in full effect.